Cullen, there's something in the sewer.
Joe, I told you for the 100th time, no more homeless men in the house.
No. Cullen, look. What the bloody fuck is this?
Joe, what are you rambling on about this time? What even is that thing?
Cullen, it appears to be some sort of remote.
We needed a remote, that's perfect.
Cullen, it's giving me some sort of strange energy. I feel...
Well, let's take it home then.
Bitches ain't shit but hoes and tricks. They call these Joe, do you want any popcorn? Any popcorn?
Yeah, Cullen, just a smidge, just a handful. Perhaps this one. Cullen, you all right? What happened to the popped corn?
Joe, help me. I can't get off the floor. Something is keeping my butt stuck to the ground.
It's okay, Cullen. It's okay. We're going to sort this. It'll be all right. Let's just help you get up.
Joe, what was that?
My God, Cullen, that was extraordinary. How on earth did you do that? You haven't gotten your ass off of the couch for months.
I don't know what just happened, Joe, but something is fishy around here.
I don't know, Cullen. I was in my room fiddling with the remote. The remote. How extraordinary.
Joe, I need help cleaning up, not your ramblings again.
Cullen, you don't believe this remote possesses some sort of fantastical power, do you?
Joe, I have never heard a more stupid explanation in my entire life. Joe, what's happening?
Cullen, I think I finally understand this remote. It's powerful. Come with me. Cullen, I'm going to tell you something.
Okay.
Now, I don't want you to be alarmed, but I believe this remote has the potential to control our reality.
Bullshit.
Cullen, what are you, a fool? Do you really believe you did all of that out there on your own accord?
I don't know what to think of myself anymore, Joe. All I know is that something weird is happening around here, and it has to do with that remote.
Cullen, do you realize what this means? This remote can make our lives better.
Bullshit.
Oh, yes? Watch this.
Joe, what are you... Oh my God. Did you do that?
I did. And I'll do it again.
Wait! Joe! Please! Don't fucking do it!
This is going to bring us so much joy.
Joe? Joe, what if I told you about eating entire avocados? When they get in the toilet, they fuck.
Cullen, can I borrow $50, please?
Absolutely okay.
What the fuck?
Joe, I ate so many of these disinfecting wipes, I don't feel so good.
Cullen, that's quite enough of that, I think. I wonder what will happen if I press rewind. Cullen! Cullen, you're a fetus! Cullen, don't worry, I'll help you.
Joe, this has to stop. You've gone mad with power.
Yes. And what are you going to do about it?
I'm gonna take that remote. No! Give it to me, Joe. Give it to me. No. You don't understand its power.
Cullen? 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 Are you doing a poo again? Cullen? You in here? I don't know why I'd be in my room, but regardless. Cullen? Cullen? Cullen, you in here? Cullen? Cullen? Cullen! What are you doing in there? Cullen! Cullen, what have I done? I'm so sorry. Go back. I hope this works. Cullen, there's something in the sewer.
Joe, I told you for the 100th time, no more homeless men in the house.
No. Cullen, look.
Whoa. Should we keep it?
Nah,